4. Animals, insects, birds. Hello dudes! Animals help to maintain the ecological balance of nature as well as the food chain. And they also provide useful products and many other purposes to humans. There are many types of insects living in our houses, but some are not visible. Most insects only come out at night time, when it is quiet around the house. Birds are a diverse group of animals, and their bright colors, distinct songs and calls, and showy displays add enjoyment to our lives. In this lesson, you will learn about animals, birds, and insects present in our environment and their uses.
4. Animals, insects, birds. Animals. Animals walk on 4 legs. Besides 4 legs, they have head, trunk, and tail. The she-buffalo, the cow and the goat give us milk.
The he-buffalo and the bull are used to pull carts and to plow the land.
The cat catches the rats. The dog guards our house. The sheep gives us wool. The donkey carries loads. The horse pulls the cart. We pet all these animals in our houses, so we call them domestic animals. The elephant, the giraffe, and the camel are very big in size. The lion and the tiger are small in size. The rabbit and the mongoose are very small in size. The horse lives for 50 years. The elephant lives for 60 years. The dog lives for 22 years. The lion lives for 30 years. The tiger is our national animal. Insect. Houseflies, mosquitoes, cockroaches, and butterflies are called insects. They have 6 legs. These insects live only for a few days. The butterfly is the most beautiful insect. Birds. Birds have head, 2 legs, and 2 wings. They can fly with the help of wings.
We pet the hen, the dove, and the parrots in our houses. They are called pet birds.
The eagle, the vulture, and the ostrich are also birds. The peacock is our national bird.
Do these.
1. Fill in the blanks with suitable answers.
Conceptual understanding.
Two. Fill in the blanks.
Conceptual understanding.
Three. Write true or false in the brackets.
Conceptual understanding. 4. Answer the following questions in a word or a phrase. Conceptual understanding.
5. Answer the following questions.
Conceptual understanding.
6.
Identify the animals by the things they do. Clues are given. Communication.